Everyone's asking the same question: will AI take my job? But the better question is, how can I use AI to stay ahead, to build the skills that the future actually needs? The truth is, traditional learning is too slow for the world we live in. By the time a course is written, the industry has already moved on. But AI changes the game, because it can create personalized learning roadmaps that keep you on the cutting edge. And that's exactly how you future-proof your skills. Let's start with the skills themselves. Research by the World Economic Forum and leading psychologists shows the most future-proof abilities are critical thinking, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and creativity. These are the deeply human strengths that machines struggle to replicate. Imagine a lawyer who not only knows the law but can read the emotions in the room and persuade with empathy. Or a manager who uses AI to crunch data but relies on emotional intelligence to inspire the team. That's where the human edge lives. Now, how do you actually build those skills? This is where AI becomes your personal coach. Step 1. Build your AI-powered roadmap. Instead of Googling random resources or buying a course you never finish, you can ask tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Notion AI to design a learning path for you. For example, if you want to master negotiation, ask, create a 30-day roadmap to learn negotiation, with weekly practice exercises. The AI will break it into steps. Week 1. Learn basics of body language. Week 2. Practice open-ended questions. Week 3. Role-play scenarios. This is like having a study planner that adapts instantly to your goals. Step 2. Practice, don't just consume. From psychology we know something called the generation effect. When you actively produce answers or behaviors instead of just reading them, you remember more. AI makes this easy. Preparing for a job interview? Role play with AI as the interviewer. Trying to improve leadership? Ask AI to simulate a difficult employee conversation. Learning a new language? Have AI chat with you daily, correcting mistakes as you go. You don't just study the theory of a skill, you live it in practice. Step 3. Get feedback and adapt. Traditional learning is linear. You take a course, you finish it, and you hope it worked. But the brain learns faster through immediate feedback loops. AI can analyze your writing for clarity, your speech for tone, or even your problem-solving steps. Imagine writing a report and instantly asking AI, "Where is my logic weak?" That kind of feedback, repeated daily, accelerates learning dramatically. What used to take months can now take weeks. Step 4. Future-proof your mindset. The biggest danger isn't that you'll pick the wrong skill. It's that you'll be too slow to learn the next one. Psychologists call this learning agility, the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. The real meta skill is using AI to make learning faster and more flexible. Don't wait until skills are trending on LinkedIn. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and keep experimenting with new tools. Let me give you an example. Think of two designers. The first one says, "I don't need AI. I'll stick to what I know." The second one experiments. They ask AI to critique their portfolio. They use AI to brainstorm creative ideas, and they practice presenting those ideas with AI feedback. Guess who's more valuable in 2 years? The one who uses AI as a co-pilot. Not to replace creativity, but to sharpen it. Of course, AI won't do the work for you. It's a guide, not a substitute. But if you use it to create personalized roadmaps, to practice actively, and to get feedback, you'll be far ahead of the people who are still waiting for universities, companies, or governments to prepare them for the future. So here's the bottom line. The future isn't about AI replacing you, it's about AI upgrading you. If you treat it as a co-pilot for learning, you'll keep growing, adapting, and staying ahead no matter what changes come next. If this inspired you, make sure to hit subscribe, because I'll be sharing more strategies on how to use AI in psychology to grow smarter, stronger, and truly future-proof.